In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contractor on Gusto Payroll. To get started, sign into your Gusto account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click People. This is where you manage everyone connected to your payroll account, including employees and contractors. Once you're in the People section, select Add a Person. This opens the setup flow for creating a new profile. If you're adding someone who will be paid as a contractor rather than as an employee, you'll want to carefully choose the correct options as you go, since that affects how they're categorized and paid in the system. Next, enter the contractor's basic information. Fill in the first name, last name, and email address. Be sure to type the email correctly since this is often used for notifications and onboarding. A small typo here can delay the setup process, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. Under worker type, choose the option that best matches the contractor. You'll typically see Contractor Individual or Contractor Business. Select Individual if you're paying a person directly, and choose Business if you're paying a company or entity. This distinction is important because it helps keep your records accurate and supports the correct payment setup. After that, choose the contractor's country. Make sure this matches where the contractor is actually based, since country selection can affect the available setup fields and payment options. You may then be asked again to enter the contractor's email address as part of the setup flow. Go ahead and provide it, and once everything looks correct, click. Continue to move to the next screen. Now complete the contractor role details. This section is used to define the contractor's role in your organization. Take a moment to enter the information carefully so your internal records are clear and easy to reference later. Next, add the payment details. This is where you'll enter the contractor's compensation information. Make sure the payment amount and related details are accurate before moving forward, since this information will be used for future payments. Once all sections are filled out, review the full contractor profile. Check the name, email, worker type, country, role details, and compensation details to confirm everything is correct. A quick review now can help prevent payment issues or administrative corrections later. When you're satisfied, finish by clicking Add and Exit if you're done, or Save and Continue if you need to keep going through additional setup. And that's it. The contractor has now been added in Gusto Payroll. Thanks for watching.